is up, everybody? Okay, what is up, everybody? I'm Undercover 126, and today we are here to play, not Forza, dang it, Farming Simulator 17. I've been playing this game for a while. This is my only save file I have so far. This is how far I've got. Yep. Weir's good. Alrighty. I've been playing this game for quite a while. Yeah. Also, I would like to thank everyone for helping me get to 32 subscribers. It's quite a big number for me to hit. 32. Even though to most people it's not really that big of a number, to me it's huge. And the reason why I'm suddenly turning to the left all the time in random times is because something's with my controller. I think it's with the thumbstick sometimes gets stuck in the left position, so I need to correct that. So please ignore that. Just a little malfunction with my controller. I was able to get something that was able to keep my phone standing up so that I wouldn't have to hold it up with my legs. It'd be all wobbly and stuff. You got my Fendit over there sowing the field while I am spraying the field with liquid fertilizer. I've stopped using the Record HD app, which you can see on the right next to the pause button. It's it makes the audio bass boosted when it's not supposed to, right? Like I'm like talking normally in here. Okay, but when I'm doing this in the Record HD app, it like bass boosts the audio, so it's super loud than it's normally supposed to be. You know, so much that I had to put an headphone warning to anyone who's wearing headphones and watching my videos. Their ears are going to get something that they are not going to enjoy. It's so loud that they'll never want to watch my videos again. And so I've stopped using that, and I'm using my camera as usual. And I've finally decided to get out of World War. Dang it! I keep missaying things. I finally decided to get off of World of Warships Blitz for a while, because that's all the videos I've ever been posting for a while. And we are here on Farming Simulator 17, just farming and doing our stuff. I should probably wait a little bit so the sower has time. We'll just keep that one over there fertilized while we wait for the sower to finish. So I got two harvesters. I got the default harvester with a longer header. Hang on. And then I got this. The TC5.90 with the header that goes with this harvester was a little too short for me. So I got it hang on. This was the header it was supposed to have. But instead, I gave it this header for the CR10.90. So far, we got everything. Oh yeah, I forgot. This was that thing too. In my opinion, I think this would be my favorite tractor for now. For now, I haven't discovered any other tractors yet, so this probably won't be for long. I do not know how it's been 6 minutes yet. It hasn't really felt that long, even though it's been 7 minutes, and it doesn't really feel like it's been 7 minutes at all. Okay, everyone, I know this is gonna take a while because I've got the solar on the base field, and it's gonna take a while for it to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and skip some of the video so that we will go straight to when everything is ready to harvest, and I will see you guys there. See you guys there. Bye bye. Getting a new tractor for the sower because it's really slow. Down, 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 down. Excuse me, mate. That little bit should be fine. Okay, let's get to the last field, and I'll see you guys there. See you guys till we get to the harvest section. Still not done. All fields are sowed. All fields are fertilized. And all weeds in fields have been done with. Now we just need to wait for them to grow. Yep. I'll see you guys again. I don't know why I keep doing this, but yeah. See you guys again. And we're ready. All fields are ready to harvest. We're ready to harvest all fields. Oh, we got 5 minutes. Jesus Christ. We have to make we might have to make a part 2 because my videos cannot be longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. Oh, if anyone knows how to make that time limit longer, please type it down in the comments below. I really need to know because I barely have any time to make videos only 15 minutes long. Alright. Wait. This is disabled. Okay, we're good. This is my favorite part of farming. Harvesting. As you can tell by my profile picture, I found what in my opinion is the perfect harvester profile picture. I found it in images on Google of the CR10.90. I found some good results with that. My current picture, when I found it, I said that's perfect. That's just straight up perfect, mate. Yep, and here we are, mate. We are harvesting. By the way, this is not the same harvester in the profile picture. Just, I hope it was, but nope. Yeah, we probably might have to make a part 2 because we are probably not gonna make it. We are definitely not making it. We can't farm it. We can't harvest all these fields in less than 5 minutes. That's impossible. We'll have to make a part 2.